What's up, everybody? At least I'm not that guy. Oh, it's kind of windy. Alright, so I'm out on the bike, obviously. It's like mid-60s right now or something, so that's pretty awesome. I'm out with my girlfriend right now. We're gonna go to like a park or something, just hang out. Enjoy this nice weather. Because it's been like 20 degrees in the mornings. So I figured we would get out and enjoy this while we can. What's all, dude? So yeah, I figured I'd get out here and record. I really don't have much to talk about. But thanks for tuning in and deciding to click on my video anyway, because you love me. Well, I was going to get out here like 30 minutes earlier. My battery died earlier and my clock is completely wrong. I think it's like 1 something in the afternoon. It says it's like 7:16 right now. I don't know. But I was trying to get out here earlier, but my girlfriend locked her keys and her phone in her car, so we had to go take care of that. But yeah, we ran to her house again and got another key so she could get in. So good job. Thanks for wasting our time. I'm just kidding. I've locked my keys in my car before too. I can't really say anything. So what's up, guys? What did you guys get for Christmas? How long has it been since I saw you guys? What did you guys get for Halloween, man? It's been forever. I'm just kidding. I think the last video I did was like near Black Friday. I'm gonna catch up to this biker up here. We're gonna be bestest of friends. There's like a little impromptu photo shoot going on down there in that haircut place. I guess someone was really proud of that haircut they just got. I would like to inform everyone randomly that I am still in college, and at the end of this year, hopefully around December time-ish, I will be graduating and I will be finally done with college, which means I should, I'm not gonna have obviously like a ton more free time because I got stuff to do, but I should definitely be more in tune of this motorcycle channel and be a little bit more free about when and where I post and stuff. Also this summer, obviously, I'll be out a lot more when the weather heats up. We'll be doing some fun stuff, you know what I'm saying? Looks like Jeffrey up there is trying to get away from me, but little does he know, I'm fast. Yeah, come back here, Jimmy. I'm just kidding. I'm not trying to go crazy today. I'm just out enjoying the weather, and it is like crazy windy in my helmet right now. Oh my god. Like a Texas tornado up in here. Yeah, so me and Wallace up here were out getting Starbucks yesterday. I'm gonna keep calling him different names, and maybe one of them will be his actual name. On another note, happy note, my girlfriend surprised me this morning with Starbucks, which is really nice. If your girlfriend's ever done that for you, I feel like it should be the other way around, and you normally surprise, as the guy, you surprise the girl with Starbucks, but now I gotta do that for her. But now she's gonna know, because she's gonna watch my video. Maybe Blake up here can help me hide it from her. But yeah, we're just, me and my girlfriend and Cody are gonna go down to the park and just have some fun, relax in the heat, sunbathe a little bit. I'm just kidding. I don't really sunbathe. I don't really tan. I go straight to sunburn. But luckily, I don't feel pain from most sunburns unless it's like super, super bad. But I'll get really red and people are like, oh my god, you're sunburned. And then like 2 days it'll be a nice tan and that stays, so I mean that's good. I got lucky there, I guess. I just looked dumb for a few days because like I walked out in the sun for more than 8 minutes and got roasted. I haven't filled this bike up in a while, and I've been kind of riding it like yesterday and the weekend before, so I don't know how much gas is in here, and I don't have a fuel gauge because it's a Gixxer. But hopefully I don't have to go fill up and Sylvester up here leaves me behind. Also, I did put the camera back on like right before I left, so if it's aimed improperly or like aimed way down here or like most likely it's way down here, I apologize for that. Yeah, but Jonathan up there knows what I'm talking about. When he puts his camera on, it's always cattywampus and I gotta fix it for him. He's got a flashing brake light. I want one of them. Or maybe he's just doing that on purpose. I don't know. Oh, he's got Icon gear on too. We're like Icon bros. Alright, let's go, Tom. But yeah, I really don't have a topic. I'm just out here riding with Justin and having fun, enjoying the weather. And I hope you guys get like a break in some of your weather. I know a lot of the northern states are like underwater right now. And by underwater, I mean like negative 20 degrees. Speaking of underwater, ooh, that's a nice car. Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted. Speaking of underwater, I once saved a baby from a burning building underwater. I thought that was pretty impressive. Yeah, marinate on that. Daniel up there was there. He recorded the whole thing. He's got it on his motovlog channel. Go follow him. Well, that's a nice Corvette right there. I hope my mic is plugged in properly. I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know why you guys follow me. If you're still watching at this point in the video, I applaud you. Honestly. Who sits here and listens to a stranger rant for like 7 minutes or however long this video is right now about random things that don't even... Why would you do that to me, Jonathan? I thought we were friends. I thought you loved me. I swear, Tyler, if I catch up to you, we're fighting. We're throwing hands, leaving me at a red light like that. I forgot with this front mount, I can't lift my visor, and my face itches right now. Like, my eye itches, and I can't do anything about it. Maybe if I just blink real hard. It's not working. Oh, he's going left. You know what, Michael? Be that way. I'm gonna go straight. We're not friends anymore. Thought you loved me. The guy in front of me is smoking, and he threw it out the window, and I can smell it, and it's really smoky right now. Don't be smoking them cancer sticks, kids. So unattractive. Smells so bad. Unlike this Mustang right here. Very nice. Well, that's really all I got. Sorry for wasting your time. You guys can go check out my other videos. And also, I dropped some music, not videos. I dropped some songs, though. Very poorly done. I don't think you guys understand the little equipment that went into that. Literally, my laptop, the free Audacity program that's not even updated, and the cheapest microphone I could find on Amazon, and I made some rap songs, quote unquote. So hope you guys enjoy that. Or don't. I don't really care. But yeah, I'll go ahead and end this video so I can stop wasting your time. It's not like any of you make it to this this far into the video anyway. But if you did, congratulations, smash that like button. And we'll be friends, and I'll come give you a high five. I'm gonna leave this recording just in case anything cool happens at the park. Like we're pulling in, and I don't know, maybe somebody like is on fire, and we just get to record it for fun. But other than that, I guess you'll see if anything cool happens. But I'll go ahead and say bye. Bye. Always remember to run outside when the sun's out and get your exercise. Or walk outside with bags. That's good exercise too. Good job, old man.